Welcome to today's fads. We're going to take a little different approach. This is called refresh your config files. If anyone has ever dealt with, you push an app out, you change a prop to transform some sort of config file, you're going to ultimately have to restart Splunk to get those config files to take place. This is something I found recently. It's not really a hunting tool, but it is something that has saved me a ton of time. It is this command here, HTTP. If you got SSL or not, HTTPS, your IP address colon 8000, same address you get into Splunk, but add on the end /debug/refresh. If you run that, you can actually reset a good portion of your settings on Splunk. So if I go debug/refresh and I run that, I'll get a little button here. I go click refresh, and those configs, those other things will reboot. So there's a lot of times you're playing around with something, you're trying to get some data in, you're trying to ingest. Instead of having to go to the command line and restart Splunk, you can actually just come in here and hit that refresh, and it will not kick other people off the system. It won't restart the system, shut it down, things like that. So it's a less invasive method of getting those config files loaded up into Splunk memory. And your users will enjoy it. It's not perfect. It won't refresh every config file, but it will do most of them. I'm hoping this will finish really quick. And there we have it. It tells us all the things it's refreshed, all the different config files, etc. Um, anyway, I hope that helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja, and I hope you keep coming back.